If you're using QuickBooks Online, but you haven't utilised the free resource to convert your old data, you'll probably want to enter some opening balances. We can do this in a few ways. If you hit the Create menu and under the Other, hit Journal Entry. You may want to enter individual open invoices for customers or bills for suppliers with original dates so that aging reports are correct. Entering the open invoices and bills is particularly useful if you wish to issue statements to customers or if you want to have your records match your customers' or suppliers' records exactly regarding how they applied payments. So there are two ways of entering open invoices and bills. For opening balances, create a journal entry and split each individual debtor name and amount on separate rows, and split each individual creditor name and amount on separate rows. Note that this is an advantage that QuickBooks Online possesses over its desktop counterpart and other accounting packages, which don't allow for journal entries with more than one line referring to accounts payable or receivable. In other words, there is one subtotal accounts receivable amount for each debtor on the journal entry and one subtotal accounts payable amount for each creditor on the journal entry. We're going to go ahead by creating a journal as of the 30th of June 2013. In my bank account, I'll enter the opening balance. You may choose to enter a description if you like. Now I'm going to enter the opening balance for debtor Alexander Rudd. Now I'm entering the balance for debtor Annie Ma. Entering some more opening balances. This is for Brittany. This is my owner's equity. If I can find it. my income to date. Now I want to add my expenses to date, but I don't have any more lines. Simple as clicking add lines, and I can add in my expenses. Now, let's say that I'm a old school accountant. I like to have my debits before my credits. QuickBooks Online allows you to simply move each row up. It's going to make a liar of me now because it's stuck. There we go. Ta-da! Save and new. Save and close. You can even make journal entries recurring if it's a frequent entry, for example, payments on a liability. The other way to enter opening balances for customers and suppliers is to enter each individual invoice with the actual invoice date and remaining balance within the customer module. You can do this via the Create menu or via the tab in the navigation menu. Enter each individual bill with the actual bill date and remaining balance within the supplier module. Again, via the Create menu or via the tab in the navigation menu. Detailed invoices would add up to the total of all receivables with subtotals by customer. Detailed bills would add up to the total of all payables with subtotals by customer. Whilst this is the most labour-intensive method of entering opening balances, aging reports would be correct, and it would make it simple to apply payments in the same fashion as recorded by your customers or suppliers in their records.